Hello foodies, welcome back to my channel. Today we are bringing you a mouth-watering fusion dish that combines the flavors of two beloved favorites, Momo and Manchurian. Get ready for the delightness of Momo Manchurian. Let's dive right into the kitchen. Begin by preparing your favorite momos. Check out the description for the recipe of steamed momos. Make sure they are cooled completely. Deep fry the momo until golden brown. Now in a pan, heat oil, add chopped garlic and salt until fragrant. Then add in the momo chutney. Do check out the description for the recipe of momo chutney and then add ketchup and water and mix them all together. Now in a bowl add cornstarch and water, stir well and then add the slurry into the sauce and let it cook for a couple of minutes. Now add the fried momos to the pan. Gently toss them in the flavorful sauce until well coated. Garnish with sesame seeds, and there you have it. Our delightable Momo Manchurian is ready to be served. Serve it hot, garnish with extra spring onions and enjoy the perfect fusion of Momo and Manchurian flavors. Until next time, happy cooking.